Okay, now that we've done our dry run, we can go ahead and assemble the main track assembly on the bike. First thing you need to do is slide out the brake caliper and then simply set it to the side. Next thing you do is just roll this underneath the bike so that the outside of the kit of the frame is lined up with the holes, the mounting holes for the axle. And you slide it up so that the track is above all the components on the bike. And then we grab our hub assembly and slide it in there. You can see we put it back in the track, we slid it up as we showed earlier. Then it's just simply a matter of running your axle bolt from the right side. The axle bolt that we supply with the kit. It goes through the swing arm, through your spacers, into your hub, out your inside spacer, through the swing arm, and then outside the bike. And then you can put the axle nut on the end of it. Before you tighten the axle nut down, though, you need to adjust the chain. The recommended way to do that is to take the bike's chain tensioning block, loosen it all the way so it goes forward, push your kit forward as far as it'll go, break your chain and adjust it so it's nice and tight, good or snug, and then you want to use the chain tighteners to actually push it back to snug it up. Then you can tighten the bolt down and you're ready to move on. Once you've got your kit attached and the chain adjusted, you can go to the next step. These are the tensioning rods on the kit. You can simply hand tighten these to where they're snug by turning them clockwise, and then you use the jam nut at the back to lock it in place, and you can do this on both sides. And the final step of this part is to adjust your track so that it's nice and snug, and the way you do that is by adjusting the track tensioner bolt right there. Just twist it in until it pushes the track back, and you want the track to look about like that. It can have some slack in it and it'll run fine, but you want it to be about that snug. And then remember to tighten your axle bolts back up on the back bogie wheels so that they don't move forward. The final step of the installation of the back section is the shock extension arm. And basically you can see it's adjustable. And the way you adjust this is you can loosen this and this, the heim joint, until it fits in here. If you're going through normal, just everyday use, you just want to leave your track flat and then simply adjust this so it fits inside there, and then you put your axle through. If you're going to be going in deeper, not your axle but the bolt. If you're going through deeper powder, then you can shorten this up, which will actually pull the track down, the end of the track down. And if you're going in harder packed snow, you can actually extend it a little bit more and have somebody pick up the end of the kit a little bit and adjust it so it pushes it up. But for your 80% of your use, it works great the way it is. When you've got the bolt through, then you want to just tighten this down so it's snug. And you should be good to go. I'll remember to tighten these up so they don't come off.